Okay, fuel of the gods. Don't know what else to say really. Oh, come a bit closer to the microphone. Okay, cheers. Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the Dr. Den channel. I'm Dr. Den. This is meant to be a happy video. My first one I wanted to be happy, funny, exciting even. But unfortunately, this one's a downer. But with a happy ending, I hope. I even put a script to this because, yeah, you'll see why. So, this is all about this thing, an Ender 3 version 2 from Creality. Now before we start, up until I purchased this thing, I loved Enders. I've got an Ender 3, I've had it for 5 years. Fantastic. Straight out the box. It printed this, a little dog, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. 5 years ago, and every print from then on was good, and then I did upgrades and it got even better. In actual fact, I've never seen anything better than this, and better than the one I've got at the moment. However, it's getting a bit worn, a bit worse for wear. So at the moment it's in bits because I'm putting on a dual Z axis. Going to replace the hot end and the extruder. Going to be replacing quite a few bits on it, so I decided it was probably best to upgrade it because after 5 years the wheels are getting a bit worn and stuff like that. So I bought a whole plethora of stuff about 11-12 weeks ago to upgrade it. In the meantime I thought to myself, okay, I'll buy this so that I can continue to do stuff while I'm upgrading the other one. So £139, bargain. Paid £500 for the original, I think, £450, £500, don't know, £139, bargain. I had to save up for this, I'm a pensioner. And I don't get a lot of spare pocket money. Anyway, purchase that. So I've got a real interest in engineering. I've been customising cars, repairing cars since I was young. My dad was an engineer. He's always tinkered with cars. Oh, he did. God bless him. Rest in peace, Dad. He always tinkered with cars, God knows what else. Any parts he wanted, he would make most of them himself. And anyway, I used to crawl under the cars with him, get covered in muck. Mum used to go mad, but there you go. So I started a garage with my younger brother, and we did that for 7 years. We built custom VWs. Really enjoyed it, and then I got into IT and got involved in all that sort of stuff. Got into education, started teaching IT and stuff like that. Anyway, it's a long story. Been stuck in it now for 30 years, 33 years, 35 years, oh my god. Anyway, so getting a 3D printer was natural for me, you know. Engineering, CNC, that sort of thing. Yep, I'll have one then. And I loved it. Got the Ender, did my little dog. Yeah, started designing stuff on a CAD package, doing little bits and pieces, custom little things for work. If I wanted something, design it, print it. And then 10 weeks ago, purchased this. At this point somewhere there's probably a little picture of poo somewhere, because that's what that is. Yeah, rubbish. Anyway, never worked from day one. I've spoken to Creality about 7 or 8 times for their advice, got nothing. I must say the guys on Facebook, Reddit and all the other places have been extremely helpful, but they can't give me an answer. However, what they have done is help me spend lots of money, as Creality did. You need to get this, you need to get that, because it could be this that's wrong, it could be that that's wrong. Is it the firmware that's wrong, is it this that's wrong? So I've been through about 7 or 8 different lots of firmware. As an example, 2 CR touches, 2 BL touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hot ends, 2 extruder motors, 1, 2, 3, 4 extruders, 6 of those. 3 I've thrown away because they're completely, I don't know what happened to them. And a glass bed I had to throw away because the first CR touch I fitted and got the firm. This is Creality's fault, by the way. Creality. They give me the software, the firmware, sorry, for the CR touch. Blah 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 blah. Put it in. Set it all up via their instructions. While I was online to them, put it all on, set it up. All of a sudden there was a horrible crunching noise. Completely screwed the nozzle and dug so deep into the glass bed that it had a hole in it almost. So that had to go. Threw away the nozzles, and it was a downhill battle from then on. So after 10 weeks I thought, I don't know, I'm thinking, anyway, I'll go back 2 weeks, 8 weeks ago. I thought to myself, you know what, I've lost the plot with this. I think it's time to call it a day. And I've been saving up rather than spending any more money. And I purchased this, £139. It's a Bamboo Lug A1 Mini. Took it out of the box, plugged it in, switched it on, printed that, and it's beautiful. The quality is incredible. I printed this little box. It's incredible. I printed this. It's incredible. Straight out of the box. £139. It's a no-brainer. So, that was 2 weeks ago. I don't know how much stuff I've printed. Little fidget stuff for the kids at work. We got a unit at work that deals with ECHP students, and they love fidget stuff. So I've been printing tons of them for them. And it works a treat. So last week I decided this is it's going. So I'm going to strip it right down to its component parts and take it to work and use it for spare parts and scrapping it for my old Ender 3. I'm going to use the bits off of here that I need to upgrade my Ender 3 at work, hopefully. Get that up to scratch, and I hopefully won't have to spend any more money on that, and this will be its donor. I could be wrong, it could be this may make it worse, I don't know. Find out when I do it, but that's what's happening to that. I spent, I think it's over £450 on this thing in total, which is a waste of time. So I've saved up again out of my pension. I've not eaten for 2 weeks. That's a joke. I have eaten. you know, when you get to my age and you've got to save every penny you can, spending money on this sort of thing is difficult. So I purchased the A1 with the AMU. Hopefully it will fit in there nicely. There, put the AMU up there. I'll move my stamp collection around, and see how that works. But if it works anything like this thing, I'm going to be the happiest bunny in the world. I can't praise bamboo enough. However, that's a separate video. That's going to be video number 2 when I get time. I will do a second video about these guys, and I'll probably do a setup video about the A1 and the AMU. Got loads of filament, bamboo filament by the way, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm just really disappointed in that, because I love Creality, I really did. They've gone from 100% in my view to about 10%.